Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to talk about something that's not just a breakthrough in technology, but a monumental shift in the way we interact with AI. Cohere has just launched its new multilingual AI models, known as Aya Expanse. Trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this. Imagine a world where communication isn't limited by language. Aya Expanse targets just that. Covering a whopping 23 languages, these models are designed to break down the barriers that have traditionally held back low-resource languages. Isn't that something we all can appreciate in our diverse world? Now, here's the exciting part. The 32 billion parameter model is crushing the competition. It outperformed larger models like Meta's Llama 3.1, which has 70 billion parameters, significantly enhancing multilingual understanding. This is a game-changer in AI capabilities. The Cohere's research team, which includes over 3,000 experts from 119 countries, is dedicated to developing AI that works across a wide range of languages and cultures. This isn't just research. It's a global collaboration that aims for inclusivity in AI. The applications are vast and remarkable. From real-time translation to generating rich multilingual content, Aya Expanse models can handle it all. Just think about how much easier it could be for businesses to connect globally. We're talking efficiency and inclusivity rolled into one powerful tool. Now let's shed some light on the Aya Expanse 8 billion model. This smaller version is designed to be highly accessible for researchers and developers around the world. It opens up a plethora of opportunities for innovation in areas that were previously neglected in the AI landscape. In Cohere's own words, they believe that AI should work for everyone, not just for English speakers. This principle is what pushes them to innovate continuously. And it's heartening to see a company that emphasizes positive change through technology. So what makes these models stand out? It's all about something called data arbitrage. By utilizing high-quality, teacher models that provide effective synthetic data, Aya Expanse reduces dependency on traditional training methods that often amplify biases found in low-resource languages. This approach leads to more nuanced and context-aware AI outputs. And I can't stress enough how important community-driven development is. By providing these open-weight models, Cohere encourages collaboration among researchers, making language modeling a collective effort. We're seeing a movement towards democratizing AI in real time. Imagine using these powerful models in everyday scenarios like online education, customer service, or media translation. The impact on global communication can be profound, paving the way for a more connected world where knowledge and access aren't limited by language barriers. Another important aspect of this launch is the emphasis on model safety. Cohere integrates feedback from diverse cultural contexts, ensuring the outputs are not just accurate but also respectful and mindful of different communities. This attention to detail helps eliminate potential biases. As members of this tech-savvy community, I encourage each of you to think about how these advancements can support underrepresented languages. Every contribution matters, and your ideas could spark the kind of innovation that could help millions across the globe. According to the benchmarks, the 32B model outperformed its competitors by achieving a 25% higher average accuracy across low-resource language benchmarks. That's impressive. It showcases how far we've come and what's possible when we invest in inclusive technologies. Imagine educators using Aya Expanse to develop learning materials in various languages, opening doors to knowledge for students in regions that need it most. This kind of technology could reshape education and empower communities tremendously. And for businesses, the ability to engage customers in their native languages can enhance relationships and drive sales. Cohere's models are not just academic. They represent tangible business value with real-world applications that matter. Ethics in AI development cannot be ignored. With new models like Aya Expanse, we must deliberate on their implications and ensure they're used responsibly. This is about shaping a tech future that respects diversity while maximizing potential. With AI rapidly transforming communication, these advances aren't just innovations. They're vital tools for global citizens. It's about making technology work for everyone and crafting a future where we can all thrive together. Cohere's initiative is a call for collaboration across various sectors, researchers, developers, educators, and beyond. Together, we can create a vibrant ecosystem that fosters creativity and inclusiveness in AI. Looking ahead, it's exciting to think about what's next for AI. Enthusiasts like us are paving the way for innovation, and it's essential to stay engaged and informed about developments like that of Aya Expanse. I can't express how grateful I am to have you all here on this journey with me. Your participation is vital, and I invite you to comment below with any thoughts or insights you have about this new technology. I'm actively working to improve these videos, and your feedback means the world to me. And remember, your likes and shares help spread the word about these important advancements. Let's inspire each other and encourage a culture of innovation where we support tech that benefits everybody, everywhere. At the heart of Cohere's mission lies a commitment to accessibility, inclusivity, and pushing technological frontiers. This ethos is something we should all embrace as we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape together. As we wrap up today's video, I want to leave you with this thought. Our strength lies in our diversity and collaborative spirit. These advancements are a testament to what we can achieve when we come together. So, let's keep pushing the boundaries and never stop learning. Who knows what other astonishing innovations are right around the corner? Stick with me and let's explore this exciting world of AI together.